Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to withdraw USDC from your Ledger Nano X to XMO in 2025. If you're holding USDC on your Ledger and want to move it to XMO for trading or withdrawals, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your funds secure. Let's dive in. First things first. Make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up and connected to your computer or via the Ledger Live app. You'll also need an XMO account with your withdrawal address ready. Double check that it's correct to avoid any mishaps. USDC is a stablecoin, so transferring it is pretty similar to other ERC20 tokens, but we'll walk through it step by step. Step 1. Open the Ledger Live app on your device and navigate to the Accounts section. Select your Ethereum account since USDC is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. If you haven't added USDC to your Ledger yet, go to the Manager tab, install the Ethereum app, and then add the USDC token. Next, in Ledger Live, click on Send for your USDC balance. Enter the XMO withdrawal address, head over to your XMO dashboard, go to the Withdrawal section, and copy the USDC address there. Paste it into the recipient field, specify the amount you want to withdraw, and don't forget to leave some for gas fees, as Ethereum transactions require them. Before you confirm, review everything. The address, the amount, and the network. It should be Ethereum. Hit Send, and you'll need to confirm the transaction on your Ledger Nano X device by checking the details on the screen and using your PIN. Once approved, the transaction will broadcast to the blockchain. It usually takes a few minutes for the funds to appear on XMO, but in 2025, with faster networks, it might be even quicker. Keep an eye on transaction fees. They can vary based on network congestion. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, check Etherscan for updates or contact XMO support. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn USDC from your Ledger Nano X to XMO. Always prioritize security in the crypto world. Use hardware wallets like Ledger for storage and only withdraw when necessary. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.